This is why you can't keep cars clean in Texas. What in the world is this crap? What is this nonsense? I knew I shouldn't have washed the car yesterday. I washed it last night, about yesterday. Should have checked the weather more. Then I come outside here this morning. Well, it's afternoon now. Look at this. What is this? What is all this brown? This is crazy. So if you're thinking about moving to Texas, don't. You'll regret it. You'll be miserable. And you can't keep a car clean. So there you go. Gotta go wash it again. Knew I shouldn't have washed my car here. This happens every time I wash my car. This is the worst. I don't even know what this stuff is. Crazy, man.